In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an invoice in Xero. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Xero like you usually would. Then from here you need to go up to Business up here in the menu, select it and click Invoices. Then this page is going to be popping up where you can see all of your existing invoices. But if you want to create a new one, you simply need to click Create New Invoice up here. Then from here, this is going to be popping up and it can look a bit complicated, but I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So the first off, you need to add in a contact where you can either create a new one or you can add it by clicking off one of your existing contacts. You can add in the issue date, which for this example is going to be today. You can add in a due date where you can either select in 7 days, in 14 days, 1st of next month, 20th next month or end of next one. You can also choose a specific date if you want to do that over here. Then from here you can add in the invoice number. If you don't like this existing number, you can also create a new one if you want to do that. Then from here you can also add a reference number if you want to do that. And you can over here select the online payments where you can set up if you don't already have that done. Down here you can add the currency where for this example I'm going to choose the Danish krone, but you can choose dollars if you want to do that or any other currencies. You can also select the amounts are either tax exclusive, inclusive or no tax at all. Down here you can add in the items for your invoice where you can select all the items or you can create a new one up here. From here you can add in the quantity, a price for this item, an amount and a tax rate. And here you can see the total amount over here. And you can select a new one if you want to do that, or you can delete it over here by clicking on the bin. Then you can see the subtotal, the total taxes, and the subtotal over here. You can also attach files if you want to do that by either uploading them or add them from file library, and you can show and hide fields if you want to do that. Down here you can also see the history and notes for the specific invoice, and you can click add note over here to add a new note. Then from here when you're done, you need to either add a detail where you can add all of these options, either a logo, a postal address, the online payment if you want to do that, and the payment advice, either invoice and statement. But when you're done, you simply need to click approve and email. But as you can see, currently I have no items right here, but when you click that, you will be taken over to the invoice page again, where it will say that the invoice has been sent. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!